Let me give you some interesting information. Nowadays, we are finding the affordable properties from the foreigner investors. Behind me, there is a proof in this case, because you can ask me why. Yes, it's weird situation, but unfortunately in Turkey we have high inflation. In this case, we have really affordable villa. Let me tell you something else. These similar properties are on the market around 450, 470,000 US dollars. Right over here, that beautiful property is on the market for 370,000 US dollars. By the way, selamünaleyküm everyone. Welcome to Ozyar Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today I am in Sapanca and I would like to introduce that brand new detached stuff for you today. And what we have as a physical specification for this property, we have around 400 square meters plot. On this 400 square meters plot, we have 275 square meters detached style villa, which is coming with 4 rooms, 5 bathrooms and 1 living room. As interior design, it is duplex, but as an exterior design, it is such a triplex design. You will understand at the end of the video, because we have really huge and spacious terrace section on the top floor. And as additional, as you see on the video, we have private parking lot section for a vehicle too. I think I thought more than enough. It's time to discover the interior situation of this beautiful property together. You have your own private entrance, and if you are looking for such a privacy, this property can be very compatible choice for you. And when we got inside the property, on the ground floor, what we have storage area, WC, living room, separated kitchen, and 1 guest room. I want to keep consumer tour from the living room section. The living room is so spacious too. The heating system of this property is based on the natural gas, which is working the underfloor. As additional, we have chimney too, and you can access the veranda easily from living room and kitchen too. And ta-ta, even on the garden level, we have such a panoramic Sapanca Lake view too. I have to mention that this property is brand new, not used before. It is on the market with very affordable price. I hear your question. Is it eligible to put your own private swimming pool over here? The answer is yes, you can put your own private swimming pool over here too. I have to get your attention on this section. This is the, as you see, veranda section. We have underfloor heating system over here too. Why? Because this property is eligible to make some modifications. For instance, if you want to cover that area by glasses, you can use that area as a part of the living room or as a part of the kitchen too. With that practice, you can reach more interior usage area inside the property too. Okay, let me keep continuing my tour. When we reach this section, the separated kitchen section of the villa is welcoming us. We have such a good quality materials over here, and the kitchen comes with some appliances like stove top, exhaust and the oven. The usage area of this section is pretty enough, and directly in front of the kitchen there is a guest room or room for kids section is welcoming us. And from this angle we have such a beautiful green scenery. The front side and the back side of the property has the scenery, and each room comes with the master room, and each room is en suite in this property too. So let me keep continuing my tour. Right over here we have WC section. You can see each WC comes with the shut-off too. There is small but important details available over here. This is the small storage area, and combi boiler device is also available. It is the main heater. Why I am mentioning that kind of details? Because if you want to purchase, in general the construction companies are not providing that items. If you want to purchase that kind of combi boiler device, you should pay extra around 40-50,000 Turkish liras, and you don't need to pay extra money for that item in this property. Let me show you the upper floors. On the upstairs section, there are nice practices are available, like you can see that windows. That kind of windows are, I think, so important, because think like that, if there will be just the wall over here, this property will not have hosted enough sunlight, and there's the same practice is available right over here too. And if you watch the video carefully, you can see some colors on the glasses. We call that glasses such a vitri. when the sunlight is reflecting the inside it, sometimes on the wall or on the ground, there are colorful lights you can see. Okay, what we have on the first floor, we have 1, 2, 3 more rooms. These 2 rooms separate for the room for kids section, and this is the master room. I want to keep continuing my tour from the room for kids section. You can see that material seems like a wooden, but these are not wooden. These are first quality ceramics, and these are very compatible with underfloor heating system too. From that angle, we have such an open wisdom, and it's looking for the beautiful green mountains of the Sapanca too. As a location, we are in very location place. We are not in that much top position, we are not that much in low position on the middle, and distance to center of the Sapanca from here by vehicle, it's around 5 minutes. You know, we are in a little bit high position. That's bring the advantage of the scenery too. You will see from another angle, we have panoramic Sapanca Lake for this property too. I told you each room of this property en suite, it comes with the full bathroom too. Directly in front of that room for kids, we have another room for kids section. Also, this is the en suite too. The difference of this room is of course the scenery. From this angle, we have such a panoramic Sapanca Lake view too, and all the windows are inside the villa are double action. So this is such a good practice too, and let me show you the last room of this villa. This is the master room, but before the master room, these are the washer section. You can put your washer and dryer over here too. You can put your some extra stuff like towels, chemicals over here. In that way, you are saving the extra storage and extra area inside the property too. Okay, the master room section of the villa is welcoming us. Of course, it comes with its own bathroom too. Differences of this room, it contains big balcony. All right, there is one more important detail. I told you already, on the veranda, we have underfloor heating system, and also we have underfloor heating system on this balcony section too. Why? As I mentioned before, this villa is suitable for make some modifications. At the feature, if you want to extend your master room by flipping glass system, you can do it easily, and in that way this section can get warm easily, because as I mentioned before, we have underfloor heating system over here, and look at that beautiful Sapanca Lake view too. But the best part of this villa you didn't see yet. Let me show you. Let me show the best part of this villa. Come. Best part of this villa is this huge terrace section. Almost the whole ceiling area was covered by spacious terrace section, and look at that environment, look at that beautiful scenery. All around us surrounded by beautiful green nature of Sapanca, and directly in front of me, the beautiful Sapanca Lake is welcoming us. And also, especially on summer terms, you can spend really good time over here when you're eating with your family members or friends. But you can ask, Mr. Hakan, going to be very hard to carry some stuffs from the kitchen, because kitchen of this property located on ground floor, but there's always solution. The construction company made very smart practice over here. There are pipes. If you want, you can put the outdoor kitchen section over here, and you can put the tap, because inside this wall you can hear the voice. There is a pipe facilities are available. You can put the outdoor kitchen cabinets and the tap over here. In this case, you don't need to carry something else from the kitchen. You can put extra outdoor kitchen of this property. So it was the situation of this beautiful house. Advantage of this property is brand new, good enough usage area. Advantage of this property, first of all, the price is so affordable according to specification. Location wise is so good, and it is brand new. All the materials and the finishings are good quality. If you want to catch this opportunity in our beautiful region in Sapanca at Turkey, please directly contact with me. My name is Hakan Özer. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532207864. Your supporters are so important for us, so that please not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like our videos too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.